How to disable Shein's live notifications. If you want to disable live notifications, now if you've been getting random notifications from Shein, you can disable them. If you're talking about the in-app notifications like a pop-up notification when you open the app, those can't be removed because those are advertisements from Shein itself. But to remove the notifications overall, what we do is on our phone, we simply open up settings. Then from settings, depending upon Android or iPhone, simply go to notifications, then go for app notifications. Now here in the search bar, simply search for the Shein app, and you can currently see I have notifications enabled for Shein app. So I can simply choose to disable it by just turning off the toggle here, and the notifications on the Shein app will be successfully deleted. That way I can disable Shein's live notifications and other notifications overall. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.